Deck the halls with the Flocked Arctic Fir Tree by Puleo International. Our Flocked Arctic Fir has an exceptionally natural look with handcrafted, lifelike branches. Assembly is quick and easy with sturdy hinges that allow the tree branches to fall easily into place. Our beautiful base with a birchwood look is made of resin and will safely support your investment for years to come. The tree is meticulously pre-lit using the latest technology. All bulbs remain lit even if one burns out, making it easy to identify the need for a replacement bulb. Our Flocked Arctic Fir Tree will bring joy to your holidays for years to come. As the oldest family name for Christmas trees in America, Puleo has been a part of Christmas celebrations since 1955. We welcome you to join us in this tradition.